What is good, guys? It's your boy Curtis here, back today with a brand new video. A couple of weeks ago, I believe it was two off the top of my head, somebody by the name of The Gamer on YouTube asked if I could do a review on a shirt of his choosing. Now, you may be wondering, which shirt was it that he chose? And it was actually the 2006-8 Liverpool home shirt. Now, as a Chelsea fan, it's one that I have bad memories of because we played them in the Champions League about 50 times, it felt like, and I swear there was that mad game where it finished about 7-6, and there was that game with Luis Garcia's ghost goal too, but we don't talk about that. To get into the main video, today we are going to actually review the shirt, which I have right here, as you can see. And yeah, so today, specifically for him, today is going to be a review on the shirt. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you'll be wondering is the quality of shirt, and I must say, it does feel very, very genuine and nice. I can't see any initial flaws or scuffs or whatnot with it. It's got, I don't know if it's going to pick it up on camera, but there's an embroidered LFC patch in there, which is very nice. Issue I'm seeing with the shirt is that there's a bit of pull on kind of, I think that's like the breathing areas, so that they can get air to the bodies when they're playing. And yeah, for a more detailed look, we'll go for the badge first. So as you can see, the Liverpool badge is all there. Doesn't appear to be any issues with the stitching. I might go for an overhead shot at this part instead, so if we don't, it turned out stinky, but if we do, then perfecto. It's got a centralised Adidas badge, and the tiny issue slash flaw, what I can notice with this is that the shirt kind of looks a tiny bit tight around it, if you can see what I mean. Like, it's kind of like the badge is pulling it in rather than just sitting there, like, with the badge. But I don't know if that's something you could just iron out personally. I mean, I'm not paying too much focus on the shirt because I'm a Chelsea fan, I must stress. I have no bearing with the shirt. When it comes to the sponsor too, as you can see, Carlsberg, everything's printed. Probably Liverpool's most iconic sponsor too, if you ask me. A main feature of these Adidas shirts back in the day, I know that the Chelsea ones used to do it too, is they kind of have this little kind of, I don't know how to describe it, like plastic 8 looking thing down here, but this one's all intact. We've got the Climacool, however you pronounce it, logo too. And yeah, now I have to say, the gamer, I am totally sorry. I'm not going to try it on camera because I will get ripped to shreds by my family and friends. But I'll tell you that off camera I've tried it on and it fits true to size, I must say. I'm an extra large men's normally, and this is an extra large too, and it fits perfectly like all the other shirts would. But yeah, that's kind of it. I didn't go for a name on the back because, as I said, I'm not a Liverpool fan. The only player I probably would have got is Torres, but I don't know the quality of printing on the back of the shirt, so far probably best not if I'm showcasing it. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for today's video. Just a quick short one, but I'll try and include some action overhead shots, as I said, during the video, but if not, I'll definitely do some at the end. And yeah, I think that's it. Make sure that you like and subscribe, please, for more future reviews and future shirts. I'm really grateful for all the support I've gotten so far. It means the world to me. It means a ton. If you have any what you want me to review too, such as this one, or look over or judge if it's good for you, then please feel free to comment them below. And in the upcoming weeks, I'll try my best to get them out. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great week. Smash your test, do good in your job, and that's it. Peace.